Hey, happy, it's your boy, Mr. CJU. What it do, man? I'm out here chilling at my pool in my crib here in Miami, you know what I'm saying? And I'm shooting this video because I got some good news that you can use over here at CJU. Okay, the credit sweep method is still busting, okay? Right now, as I'm shooting this video, it's April 2025. And if you keep watching this video, at the end, I'm gonna share my screen and show you a recent client that just went through the credit sweep method with us, and they got crazy results. You know what I'm talking about? They had a 500 credit score. They had over like 40,000 in collections. They had about like another 40,000 in charge-offs. All major banks, we got that shit removed. We got it all deleted off their credit report, collections, charge-offs, even a mortgage, you know what I'm saying, with late payments. We got that shit off their credit. They went from a 500 to a 740 plus. Now we finna get them some trade lines and they about to go get funded and they about to go get a bag. You know what I'm saying? So these are recent results as of right now when I'm shooting this video, that the credit sweep method is definitely still working. And so I know I got a lot of y'all tapping in. Y'all wanna, get the credit sweep method. Y'all know y'all can text me. Text me directly. 832-551-3809. Just shoot me a text. Tell me your name. Tell me what you got going on and what you need help with. Now, a lot of y'all want us to do the credit sweep method for you. We can definitely do that as a service, but it's gonna be pricey because it's a lot of y'all. So that's why I decided to go ahead and turn the credit sweep sauce into a course and just give it to y'all. Give y'all a step-by-step course to where y'all can do the credit sweep yourself and y'all can help other people with it. You know what I'm saying? Because if we do the service, it's gonna be over $1,000 plus. Because again, y'all want us to do it right. It's a lot of y'all and y'all want us to be hands-on. So it's gonna be over $1,000 if y'all want us to do it. But if you take the course, you learn the sauce and you do it yourself, we gonna give you that for under $1,000 so you can have the sauce and help other people and help yourself if you want to do that. So again, y'all can text me directly in the description on this YouTube video. I'm gonna have the links right there to where you can click the link, tap in with the course. You guys can get at me directly. We got the sauce, you know what I'm saying? Because once you get that credit sweep popping and all them negatives off, all we gotta do is slap on them trade lines if you don't already have some good accounts, and then you can go get a bag, because that's what we doing right now. We really going to run up a bag off this credit game because it's green again, all right? So even right here, I'm telling y'all, look, this straight cash. This straight cash. We going to the bank and we're cashing out. We cashing out, guys. I'm talking about straight cash. Go to the bank, get that motherfucking cash and run it up. You know what I'm saying? We can do personal loans, business loans. You can go get the credit cards. You can turn the credit cards into cash. We got the merchant accounts. We got what you need to go run up a bag. You know what I'm saying? It's a quick little 20 ball. You know what I'm saying? Easy little 20 ball that a nigga got off the credit. And we just showing y'all how to do that. Go get the negatives off. Go get the trade lines. Build up the credit report and go get a bag. Turn that shit into cash and go make investments. Y'all see what's going on out here in the American economy. A lot of shit going down and a lot of shit gonna be cheap. So you need to be cash ready and credit ready to go make sure you can make those investments and make some money. You know what I'm saying? So watch the rest of the video. Y'all can see the results yourself. And if you want to get in on this credit sweep, tap in right now while it's still hidden. All right, stay tuned for the results. Hap. Hey, Hap, man. I got this credit report pulled up, man. I'm about to show y'all some recent results from the credit sweep method. Yes, it's still going. We still getting some amazing results, man, in this thing. So as you see right here, we looking at March 31st, 2025. Okay, so this is recent. All right, as I'm shooting this video, because I'm shooting this right here at April 17th. So I'm gonna show y'all updated reports on this exact date. All right, so on March 31st, we see we got a credit score of 558, right? Now let's scroll down and see why it's so low. Look right here. Look at all these late payments. Barclays, Discover, Chase. We got Net Credit, PayPal. Look at that, man. So we got two actual good accounts right here. Capital One and Milestone. But again, we clicked on close accounts. Look at all these charge-offs. 13,000, 5,000, 7,000, 5,000, 5,000, 3,000. Another 3,000. Man, that's a lot of charge-off debt. All right. Let's go to auto loans. Okay, these two are straight. Let's go to real estate. We got late payments on the open mortgage right here. Okay. Student loans, all right. And then we got 4 collections. All right. So we got 4 collections, 11,000, 7,000, 11,000, almost 8,000. I can't even do the math on this. All right, so right here say 38,000. There we go. So it's 38,000 in collections alone, and then y'all seen all this right here: 5, 10, 15, 18, You know what I'm saying? This is about another 30,000 in charge off debt, man. So this is crazy. This is a lot of debt on this credit profile. And you got to get all this removed. You know, collections, charge offs, you got to get this shit off. All right. So we put this client in for the credit sweep, and let me show y'all the results that happened. Boom. Now from March 31st to right here, April 17th, look at the change. Same profile, went from a 500 to a 746. Wow. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. So look, we left the same two positive accounts right there, that same Capital One and Milestone. But now, remember it said 9 negative accounts right there? Now when we click, boom, they gone. The credit sweep knocked them off, and we left the two paid off closed accounts still on there. Let's scroll down. Remember that mortgage that had them late payments on it? Gone. Remember those 4 collections? Gone. So almost 40,000 in collections deleted, and almost 30,000 in charge-offs all gone. And y'all seeing it right now for yourself. From March 31st to April 17th, we was able to clear all that debt out for this client. You know what I'm saying? That's some amazing work right there. You know what I'm saying? Let's go right here to the notifications, and you can see right here, the credit score went up 162 points, man. You know what I'm saying? 162 points. That went from fair to very good just off the credit sweep. Now all we got to do is we can add some trade lines, you know what I'm saying, to boost it up even more. But just from the credit sweep, this client already turned up. You know what I'm saying? This client is turned up. Look at all these deletions right here. All these deletions gone, deleted. So this client is really in a good position right now to go get funded. Because again, they up 162 points in just a few days, man. So the credit sweep is live in effect. Y'all tap in. We can do the service for you, or we got the step-by-step course to really show you how to do it yourself, and then you can help other people with this sauce. So the credit sweep is live in effect. I am shooting this right now, April 17th, and y'all see the dates. This is current 2025 sauce right now. All right, so let's get to it. Hap, hap.